Buldak mukbang with cucumbers. I thought it would be fun to have like a crunch with my meal and also a little bit healthier. I hope this is not too spicy. It is a little bit more red than I usually like it. I've been craving Buldak. No, because why is this literally perfect? I've been obsessed with mukbang eatings recently. It just feels so fresh with the cucumber. Like, it feels like I'm drinking a cold glass of water, but also like taking a bite of like a cheesy goodness. Yeah. Honestly love eating, and I wish I could just eat forever. Honestly, the cucumbers really cancel out the spice.
Buldak and Wingstop mukbang. My boyfriend and I just came back from a big road trip, and I'm starting my period tomorrow. And I'm going on a big trip tomorrow, so I'm going to indulge and enjoy some Wingstop and Buldak. I love the carbonara one, but my deli did not have the carbonara, so I had to buy the cheese. So my boyfriend and I had a huge debate between, okay, not huge. So I like boneless wings, and my boyfriend loves bone-in wings, and he thinks boneless does not taste as good. So
we're gonna is about to get blown right now.
Buldak and sweet.
Try that. You good?
Tastes like home.
Call me fat without calling me fat.
Guys, we ordered so much Wingstop. It's here and over here. It's like 20 wings. Garlic parm. It's good, but not mind-blowing good. Honey rub. Cheers. I like this one. My boyfriend and I are gonna finish culinary classworks. Her Netflix is in Korean right now.
Korean. Grandparents probably.
I kind of like it with the seaweed more.
Hi guys, I just got a package and it's from Bon Bon. I ordered this a whole month ago and they finally came. I got the chocolate. I was really excited when we were doing this. And then I got the sour. And then I got the regular like marshmallow jelly mix. I'm gonna first open up the sour mix. So I always see it on my freaking TikTok For You page of that one blonde girl eating her Swedish candy, and it makes me want it so bad. Oh my gosh, she smells so good. This is the inside. Okay, first thing I really wanted to try was this skull. Okay. It's really chewy. Hold on. It tastes like bubble gum. It's really good though. Really chewy. I'm gonna try this one. It's really sour, but really good. Oh my gosh. 10 out of 10. Recommend. That was good. Next candy. Let's try this mini Bubs. want to try this so bad. It's like a Sprite. It's really good though. Okay, wait, I saw the girl eat this too. Whoa. It's like Coca-Cola. There's so much in here, but I'm gonna move on to the jelly and marshmallow mix. Guys, I wanted to try this one so bad. It's like the regular Bubs one, and people have been eating this so much. Okay. I don't know. It's like good, but it's not like, oh my god. You know what I mean? Okay. The next two we're gonna try is this mini Bubs and then this pink mushroom. These are like really soft. My mom likes the pink one. This is the next one. It's like a chocolatey banana. I'm gonna try this actual marshmallow, I think. It's like a jelly, but marshmallow. Delish. Okay, next we're gonna go into the chocolate mix. I only got this because I saw her also eat like chocolate, and I wanted to see if these are good. I'm not that big of a fan of chocolate, but I'll eat it. I've actually tried Keks before because I have a friend that's Swedish. I'm just gonna try this one. I feel like we have this in America. We have chocolate like this. I feel like the chocolate isn't anything big, but I would definitely get, if you were to get something, I would get the marshmallow. No, I would get the sour, if anything. These are really good. Really, really, really good. Go get yourself some bonbon. It might take a while to come, but very good. 10 out of 10, recommend. Bye, guys.
Okay, guys, we're gonna try the Courtney Cook's sweet dumplings. I'm just gonna plop her. This is how it looks like. The onions. Sriracha.
I want like
A little bit each. We don't have Kewpie mayo, so we're gonna just use normal mayo.
I don't want mayo.
She puts a lot. But like, it has to be Kewpie mayo.
Okay, taste test.
Cheers. It's a bit better than how I tasted last time.
I don't know.
I like it. Let me try another one.
Wait, is this the pork one?
I don't think I could do a whole cup though.
So many sauces. I don't think I like it.
Actually, I actually would eat this again. Cheers. Let's try McDonald's from Italy. Literally 12:30 and I'm so hungry. Fries. McRoyal Deluxe. These, it's spinach parmesan. And of course I got some Coke. I'm so excited for this bite. Yeah, that's pretty bomb. It actually tastes fairly healthy for being McDonald's. That's so much better than America.
Uber Eats doesn't exist here, so I had to order from this Italian app called Grovo, I think. And this legit came in 4 minutes within I ordered. There's like white onions in here and I freaking love it. Oh my god, their ketchup is packaged like this. Am I the only person that's never seen it packaged like this? Alyssa Lou, I love you so much. That's all I gotta say.
Guys, I'm here with my mom and I received a special gift from Jason. Wow. It is special uni imported from Japan. I am so excited to try this. Thank you so much, Jason. This is incredible. Use the seaweed to eat it with the uni. It looks so fresh. Oh my. Cheers. It's so good.
그분들도 좀 한 개씩.
뭐라고 할까?
걔네들은 이 맛을 모르고 아까 그 매니저분들.
We're literally about to eat this whole box in one sitting. Like, the freshness, I just bit my tongue trying to speak. That's how good it is. It's the freshest uni I've had in my entire life, and it's the creamiest. It's so good. We don't have rice, but if we had rice, this would have been like crazy good. Absolutely love this so.
Wingstop mukbang. For my college students, I am going to share how you could get free Wingstop. Look at my amazing spread. You can get free 10-piece wings if you spend over $25 through March 17 all the way to April 6th. This looks so good. First bite. Obviously, I partnered with Grubhub for this Wingstop mukbang in honor of the basketball season. I know I'm not like the biggest sports person, but any chance I can get Wingstop, I will do it. I got the Parmesan tenders and it is so good. This is the hot honey tender. The wings. If you're a college student cheering for your favorite team this bracket season, you better get yourself some free wings as well. Love the cheese sauce, you guys. Bye, guys.
We're gonna do a little taste test of In-N-Out. Yay! Smoothie taste test. Is it good? It's kind of hard to like drink. Ketchup. Yum. Ready? Cheers, cheers.
This is animal style fries.
Last bite.